So in this video, we're going to be looking at a couple different livestock handling tools. They're actually the same type of tool, but two different brands. This one come off Amazon. This one come from the local farm store. Very well packaged. It's the Ranch Choice Everprod livestock prod, and it is rechargeable. But I find sad, comical, interesting all at the same time. Designed in the USA. American flag. Why wouldn't you buy it? Never mind that the made in China is on the end. And coming off Amazon, that's not surprising. It did come very well packaged. And I will put links to both products in the description. And here in a little bit, we'll look at them on the computer as well to compare them. But with this one, get the wand, quite flexible. Get the charger. Power plug for the charger. Oh, that's interesting. That's USB. 8.4 volts. Suppose you could plug it into your power port charger on your pickup if need be. So let's put this together. And we'll lay them out here side by side. It doesn't make much difference which way we put them. But the similarities, I don't know what word to use. They're very similar. Colors off. Triggers are the same. Locks are basically the same. Battery holds the same. Rubber on the back, the little recess here. This is shaped a little different. They even have the little indentation here. And the Hotshot Duraprod labels theirs. Accordingly, this one has nothing other than the etching on the side of the battery. I don't know how well this will show up. Maybe I'll turn off the lights. I have not locked or haven't charged this one. But it throws a nice spark. The pitch is a little different. This one throws a lighter spark. These are regular alkaline batteries. The wands. Come on. The wands are interchangeable. And the main reason why I bought this is being they look so similar. I was hoping the batteries would be interchangeable. The resemblance is striking. So we'll put this darker orange one on. It is a little tight because the Chinese one does not have quite the same finish. We will put this one back on. And this one fits. And now we're using the Chinese one with the alkaline batteries. It's a slower, stronger spark, or at least that's how I would describe it. But it's still a spark. Oops. And as I was saying earlier, my main reason for buying this Chinese one was to get this battery pack, which is substantially cheaper than buying the Hotshot brand. And the charging base, charging cord, all of that. I'm curious what the batteries look like. Because possibly I could buy batteries and use the charger for both. Oh. Okay. So take this one apart too for a comparison. I wasn't anticipating doing this. As you can see in the bottom, that one, there's terminals in the bottom. This one has 0 terminals and a tray for this battery pack. Let's put these back in the right way. They are labeled in the bottom, positive, negative. And this can only be installed one direction. So there we go. So that's interesting. This battery pack, part number, whatnot on it. I don't know if that shows up in the glare, or if you guys even care. But 7.2 volts, so the voltage is a little higher. Because with these 4 batteries all in series, you have 4 1.5 volt batteries in series, gives you 6 volts. So there's a possibility. Don't remember which way this came out. That running the Hotshot one on a higher voltage could shorten its life, but who knows? My plan is to run the Chinese one. Excuse me, I shouldn't call it the Chinese one. The Ranch Choice one until it fails, and then keep the battery and use it on my Hotshot brand. until the battery pack fails, and go back to buying batteries again or buy another Ranch Choice one. Time will tell. So for those of you that want to convert your Duraprod that uses the standard non-rechargeable batteries, or want to have an extra battery pack, this is a very inexpensive way to acquire that battery pack and charger if need be. So don't know if you guys found this interesting. Most of you probably don't, but the cattle handlers that watch this channel, or any type of livestock for that matter, may find this interesting. So let's take a look at the Hotshot Duraprod. That comes in on Amazon at $192. And all of these would have free shipping with an Amazon Prime account. I chose to use Amazon as a comparison just for simplicity's sake, but their prices match most of the other online products for the Hotshot brand. Moving over to the Ranch Choice. Come on, computer. That comes in at $59 for the whole package. That's prod, battery pack, and charger. Hotshot does offer a replacement battery charger, and you do get the 12-volt plug into your vehicle charger as well. That comes in at $139. Ranch Choice does offer their battery pack for $35, and their charger is $25. So just buying their charger and battery pack is approximately the same price as buying the whole unit. Basically get the Hotshot tool for free. So hopefully this helps you guys out or gives you some other options. I'm curious how well that Ranch Choice Hotshot's going to hold up, and once that wears out, how long the batteries last. But I'm willing to give it a try for the price. I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate all the subscribers and likes, shares, and comments. So we'll talk to you in the next video. Thanks for watching.